We'll start off by showing you what I forgot to show you on our decor haul last time. This pretty blue and white blanket, I love the feel of it. It's so soft. It's that plush texture and it's so comfy. Anyway, I forgot to show you that last time on our spring decor haul. Now we're going to start decorating in the kitchen. There's not a whole lot in the kitchen, but we also are probably going to have to forego the spring decorating outdoors and redoing the spring planter, redoing the planter for spring, because I don't know if you can hear this. It is your typical Oregon spring, what we like to call our second winter. So we will probably not be spring decorating outdoors. So this may be a real short one today. So this is some other things I've had for a while that I got, I think maybe last year. Just some pot holders. Live life in full bloom. And that's what we're going to decorate the kitchen with. And of course the spring handhelds that we showed in the spring decor haul. And the mugs. That's what we're going to do here. Over there, it doesn't really make sense to have all my pot holders that far away, but this may not stay. Well, it's cute, not practical though. Let's put them where they would be practical. Over here is much more practical. These daffodils here were lovingly picked by my husband from our backyard. Now, I did not plant these. These were here before. Someone else had planted them. I reaped the benefit of it. But they are the thinnest stemmed daffodils I have ever worked with. I could have used probably twice as much as I had, but this was all that was left that was blooming, so I'll have to make do. But I'm not familiar what type this is, and I wish I did. If anyone knows, please let me know. Despite the fact I could have used at least twice as many daffodils, I still think it looks pretty, and I probably could have used a thinner vase and it would have been just fine, but I arranged it in such a way I think it looks beautiful. You know, I thought I was going to use that in the dining room. That's why I said I didn't have a whole lot for in the kitchen, but I think it's going to look cuter here in the kitchen than the dining room. Until I find something that will fit on there that looks springy, That's gonna have to do for now. Time to say goodbye to the Valentine's mugs for the season. My husband lovingly taking out the Valentine's heart fairy lights for me so I don't have to climb on the ladder. One last thing to put over there. Can you see these little lines? They're little bees. I don't know if you can see them better lit up or not lit up. They're so cute. Anyway, that's the last thing in the kitchen, I think. They're kind of cute. I like them. They don't have that greeny neon tint from them in person. They have just the warm light, and you can see the individual bees a lot better in person. But I think they're pretty cute. Well, that's it for this week, guys, because whoever said gardening wasn't a dangerous sport doesn't know me well. Yeah, that's right. I hurt my foot. Gardening, it's a long story, but it's okay. It's not broke. It's just, I'm not supposed to walk on it for about a week. Hopefully everything will be better by a week, but my foot is starting to hurt, so I'm gonna stop for today, and we will finish decorating the inside maybe the week that we decorate outside. But next week is book week, so it will be the following Wednesday after that we'll get back into decorating the outside. Thanks for coming, guys, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.